Alright people, here you go. We're at another spot tonight. Jimmy's jerk spot, you understand? Yo chef, just open them thing and we can show them what I go on, please. We want to show you guys what's going on in Jimmy's spot. So if you're ever in Jamaica people and you're in the Clarendon Park side over Porus side, you need to check out Jimmy's, right?
This is a jerk pork, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, looking lovely.
Yeah, people.
Where is enough? Soup up on the menu, right?
Yeah.
Where is it?
We have jerk chicken. Flip them.
Look at that, people. Yeah, lovely. See the fire hot. What kind of soup?
Chicken foot soup.
Show you how going for the chicken foot soup, people. Look at that. Bring the spoon close. Like I see it all go on nice spoon.
Yeah.
Fresh. We just order some food. Just stay tuned, we're gonna give you a review. The place is a good review so far. 4.5 stars in a Porus in a Jamaica, right? So we're gonna test out the food right now and make you know what's going on, right? So as you can see, we got the jerk chicken and we also got the fried chicken meal, right? Not sure if I can finish all this tonight, but we want to stay involved, you understand? First of all, I'm going to show you the jerk chicken we got from Jimmy's jerk spot, right? Jamaica style, you understand? Yeah, now let's take a look at the jerk chicken, people. Yeah, man. Okay, lovely. I don't know. Regular call it hardware bread. We also have the fried chicken. There you go. And we got this with the rice and peas on the side. Rasta pasta. Alright. So yeah, we're gonna try this right now. Yeah, not bad. Tender. My only critique is my sister them use the jerk machine, but me not taste the sauce like the jerk, the pepper. You know what I mean? To me, I want to taste some more pepper. So tell me guys if you like it mild or if you like a lot of pepper in the comments. I'll try a piece of the bread now. I'll make a little sandwich, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, I'll try a piece of this right now, people. There you go. No joke. Overall ratings, I give it a 7.5 out of 10. Jimmy's, well done. Alright, so we're going to try a piece of fried chicken now, people. Come on. Fried chicken, I like a lot more taste of the flavor, the seasoning, you know. Yeah. You taste it in the batter. It's crispy. It's moist. It's fully seasoned. Yeah, man, them know what they want to do. Come on, we make fried chicken up. Alright, we're going to try some of the pasta. Looks like it got mayo, couple of oh, that fell off right there, but carrots, I see green peas, whole lot of stuff, people. Looking good though. Look at that. Oh, fell again, but yeah. This is one hour left. Can't show. Sweet, they're not go to waste. Not bad. Yeah, man. Taste a little tanginess to it. Piece more fried chicken with it. Up and running. Try some rice and peas now, people. We go. Come on. Definitely a pass. There you have it, people. The image for dinner was definitely a pass.